The 5 worst drinks for nerve health. Number 5. Excessive alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption is particularly detrimental to nerve health due to its neurotoxic effects. Chronic alcohol abuse can lead to a condition known as alcoholic neuropathy, characterized by damage to peripheral nerves. Alcohol has the potential to disrupt the balance of essential vitamins and minerals crucial for nerve function, such as B vitamins and thiamine. Additionally, alcohol-induced inflammation and oxidative stress may contribute to the degeneration of nerve cells. Prolonged alcohol misuse can result in numbness, tingling sensations, and weakness in the extremities, all indicative of compromised nerve health. Number 4. Sugary beverages. Sugary beverages, including sodas and sweetened juices, pose a risk to nerve health primarily due to their high sugar content. Excessive sugar intake can contribute to inflammation, insulin resistance, and oxidative stress in the body, all of which may have negative implications for nerve cells. Elevated blood sugar levels can lead to diabetic neuropathy, a condition characterized by nerve damage resulting from uncontrolled diabetes. Moreover, the inflammatory response triggered by high sugar consumption may exacerbate existing nerve-related conditions. Number 3. Artificially sweetened beverages. Artificially sweetened beverages, often marketed as low-calorie or diet options, have been a subject of concern regarding their impact on nerve health. While more research is needed to establish conclusive links, some studies suggest that certain artificial sweeteners may have neurotoxic effects and disrupt the balance of gut microbiota, which plays a role in overall health, including nerve function. Aspartame, saccharin, and sucralose are among the commonly used artificial sweeteners that have been scrutinized. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff and upcoming videos. Number 2. Caffeine in excess. While moderate caffeine consumption is generally considered safe for most individuals, excessive intake can potentially impact nerve health. Caffeine is a central nervous system stimulant that can lead to increased heart rate, anxiety, and disrupted sleep patterns if consumed in large quantities. These effects may indirectly influence nerve signaling and contribute to heightened stress responses. Additionally, chronic overconsumption of caffeine may deplete essential minerals like calcium and magnesium, which are crucial for nerve function. It's essential to be mindful of individual tolerance levels and avoid excessive caffeine intake, especially from energy drinks or highly caffeinated beverages, to maintain a healthy balance and support optimal nerve function. Number 1. Highly acidic drinks. Highly acidic drinks, such as certain fruit juices and sodas, can potentially impact nerve health due to their ability to contribute to inflammation and disrupt the body's pH balance. Excessive acidity in the diet can lead to acidosis, a condition characterized by an imbalance in the body's acid-base levels. This imbalance may contribute to inflammation, potentially affecting nerve cells. Moreover, acidic beverages can erode tooth enamel, and dental issues have been linked to systemic health problems, including nerve-related conditions. Opting for less acidic alternatives, diluting acidic drinks with water, and maintaining good oral hygiene practices can help mitigate the potential negative impact of highly acidic beverages on nerve health. Why is the nervous system crucial? Our bodies consist of various systems, all vital for our survival and well-being. While some, like the circulatory, respiratory, digestive, urinary, reproductive, muscular, and skeletal systems, are well known, others, such as the endocrine, lymphatic, integumentary, and nervous systems, are less familiar. What is the nervous system and what is its function? The nervous system is an intricate network of neurons that facilitate communication between our brain and the rest of our bodies through electrical signals. It comprises 2 components: the central nervous system, encompassing the brain and spinal cord, responsible for integrating information and decision-making, and the peripheral nervous system, made up of nerves branching from the spinal cord to various body systems and organs. The peripheral nervous system further divides into the somatic nervous system, controlling voluntary muscle movement, and the autonomic nervous system, governing involuntary functions like breathing, heart rate, and digestion. The overall role of the nervous system is to detect changes inside and outside our bodies through sensory receptors, transmit messages of change to the central nervous system and other organ systems to prompt an appropriate response, maintain balance or homeostasis in our bodies. In essence, the nervous system's objective is to identify and respond to changes, ensuring our body's survival and well-being. It achieves this through sensory neurons detect temperature changes, prompting actions like seeking shelter in cold weather. The autonomic nervous system regulates heart rate and rhythm, maintaining breathing during sleep or unconsciousness, signaling fullness of the bladder through stretch receptors, directing muscle movement for bodily actions or rest, initiating digestion upon food intake, regulating hormone secretion and supporting basic body functions in the reproductive system and beyond, allowing us to feel pain and other symptoms to be aware of damage or injury. What can disrupt or impair the proper functioning of my nervous system? Blood flow disruption. Effective blood circulation, vital for delivering nutrients and removing waste, is equally crucial for the nervous system. Conditions like atherosclerosis, heart valve issues, high blood pressure, and peripheral artery disease can decrease blood flow to nerves. Medical conditions. Various medical conditions, such as diabetes, multiple sclerosis, meningitis, epilepsy, stroke, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and Guillain-Barré syndrome, can adversely impact the nervous system. Damage to nerve cells or tissue may lead to peripheral neuropathy. Medications. As known, medications can have side effects, ranging from mild to severe. Chemotherapy, for instance, may cause sensations like numbness, tingling, extreme cold, or burning in the extremities, among other symptoms. In summary, safeguarding your nerve health involves making smart beverage choices. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier you.